ज़िंदगी में तुम जितना भी कुछ कर लो ना, कुछ लोग होंगे जो तुम्हें कहेंगे यू डोंट डिजर्व ऑल दोज थिंग्स। तुम वहाँ पहुँचे कैसे? ज़रूर कुछ काला किया होगा। तो तुम्हें उनसे जाके लड़ना नहीं है मेरी जान। बोलने दो उन्हें, जितना बोलना है बोलने दो, क्योंकि योर सक्सेस will speak for itself. Your success will speak for itself. And just because वो तुम्हें उल्टा फुल्टा बोलेंगे ना, you do not have to let that thing affect you. And don't allow yourself कि वो चीज़ तुम्हारे दिमाग में भी आए, क्योंकि हम भी एक तरफ को सोचने लग जाते हैं कि क्या सच में आई डू नॉट डिजर्व ऑल दोज थिंग्स? क्या सच में मैंने कुछ गलत किया है? तुम मुझसे बाहर निकल के आए हो तभी तुम वहाँ पहुँचे हो, ठीक है? You got there because you have that faith in you, because you have belief in you. You did things when nobody was seeing you, how you were going through in your life. You were struggling, but you were not showing your struggle to others. People were thinking you are just chilling, but you are going through so many things in your life. You know your struggle the best. You know the work that you have put into yourself the best. What do they know about you? What do they know about you? Nothing. So let them speak on nothing. Your energy is important. So rather than making them correct their words, live your life. Live your life more grandiosely. Live your life with more freedom. Live your life with more carefreeness. They will stop one day. And that kind of people na get inspired by you. But they won't show it. Because they are jealous of you, and there is no hiding to it. They don't wanna accept that fact. But they do get inspired by you. So let them choose whatever they wanna choose. But remember, my love, you should be choosing yourself every time. Never abandon yourself. Be in that energy. Be in that goddess energy. And when I say goddess energy, I'm not just talking to the females, I'm talking to the males as well. Be in your God energy. You are doing great. And it is important to remind yourself that you're doing great. And I don't know why I'm talking like this. What I'm saying right now is just coming automatically. Maybe I need to remind myself and remind you as well. Because sometimes when I make video na, I don't speak. It feels like I am here. I'm not thinking anything. Words are coming out of my mind, out of my mouth. There's no thinking. I'm just speaking. You know, that's how God speaks. Yeah, I don't know who needs to hear this, but this is for you, my love. If you're watching this message is definitely for you. And I love you so much. Don't let that love inside you die or fade away. Keep reminding yourself about how good you are. लोगों को तो तुम रिमाइंड कर देते हो, या यू आर रियली गुड, यू आर रियली अ गुड ह्यूमन, बट खुद को भी बोलो, यू नीड दैट रिमाइंडर योर सेल्फ एज वेल, क्योंकि तुम डिजर्व करते हो. यू डिजर्व टू get celebrated, and you will be celebrated soon. You will be celebrated soon, and God will show you you are their favorite child. God will show you. God will show you how much love they have for you in their heart. They will not let your hard work go in vain. And when God blesses now, everyone will see how grand that blessing will be. And you have worked hard enough, you have worked more than hard enough to deserve all those blessings. So don't let any limiting beliefs, don't let anybody tell you otherwise. You deserve those things. You have hugged more than enough. You have hugged, you have worked more than. I'm stuttering. I am sorry. But I guess let's just keep it till here. शायद इतना ही बोलना था. I'm not getting anything right now to speak. It's weird sometimes. It's weird. And I'm telling you because ये YouTube channel पे I'm just growing myself and I just tell about if anything happens with me to you guys. So इसलिए मैं ये भी बोल रही हूँ कि I do speak sometimes that those things are not coming from me. It feels like those things are coming directly from the source, directly from the universe, the God, whatever you say. So it's like that sometimes. And it feels weird but feels profound. And you ऐसा लगता है. I'm here, I'm sitting and I'm speaking. Those words are coming out of my mind. This brain has no, ये कुछ काम नहीं कर रहा होता है. I'm just speaking. And you will feel that emotion and that energy. I feel that sometimes. And अभी मुझे रोने का भी मन कर रहा था, मैं ऐसे बोल रही थी तो I don't know. It's really profound to be a channel yourself of the source wisdom, to be a channel. I'm channeling that thing of source, right? It's so profound to be a part of that. And I love you so much, my love. Don't forget to spread love, peace and kindness in this world, and I'll see you in my next video. तब तक के लिए अपना ध्यान रखना.